Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Best wishes to all of us here. Good morning. Let me introduce society from Lombok, exactly Jeringo village, Gunung Sari district, West Lombok, West Nusa Tenggara Barat. There are 4 points I want to deliver in this occasion. The first thing is we ask to help the international institution and non-government. The second, we refuse the stimulatory firehouse from the earthquake victim because it's not consistent with what the president and governor said. The third, we ask to President Jokowi to decide NTB disaster and Sulawesi disaster as the national disaster. And then the last is, this meeting first, there is no politic orientation from any party. And because of this, we want to deliver the small letter from the President of United States. Dear President Donald Trump, President of America Serikat, we ask to the President America Serikat to decide it to order the international institution from their country because we need their help, because we need their help to help us to rebuild our house, to live, because we need a house to live with a suitable house. And then we ask the Lombok society, especially in Jeringo village, Gunung Sari district, West Lombok, West Nusa Tenggara, our house has broken because of the earthquake of that 7.0 magnitude. And we ask the Lombok society, we refuse the government help because it's not consistent with what the president said and governor said. And we think the Indonesian government cannot attempt to help us here because the rule. We refuse that because the rule and the instruction for president is very difficult to us here. And then that's why we need your help. We need your hand to rebuild our house again. We need the house to live, and we need a suitable house to live. So that's why we ask to help from the other countries as like America, England, Australia, and France, and the other countries to help us to rebuild our house, because in Jeringo village there are 93% our house has broken because of the earthquake. And then please come here, see us, see what the situation we are here, and please come here to help us to rebuild our house. Only that we ask to you all as the international institution. Maybe this is all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.